today's digital age, cybersecurity is not just an ITE issue, it's a business imperative. Cyber threats are growing more sophisticated and frequent. This creates significant risks for organizations of all sizes. To mitigate these risks, a robust cybersecurity framework is essential. The National Institute of Standards and Technology, or NIST Cybersecurity Framework, CSF, provides a comprehensive set of guidelines. These guidelines help organizations manage and reduce their cybersecurity risks. The NIST CSF is a voluntary framework. However, it has been widely adopted across industries. It is considered a best practice for organizations looking to improve their security posture. The NIST CSF was first introduced in 2014. It was created in response to a growing need. Organizations needed help to better protect themselves against increasingly sophisticated cyber attacks. The framework was developed through a collaborative effort. NIST worked with both the public and private sectors. This ensured that the framework was practical and relevant. It addressed the real-world needs of organizations. The NIST CSF is a living document. This means that it is constantly updated. Updates reflect the evolving cyber threat landscape. The latest version, NIST CSF 2.0, was released in 2021. It includes updates based on feedback from the cybersecurity community. These updates help organizations stay ahead of emerging threats. Impress Computers understands the critical importance of cybersecurity. We are committed to helping our clients navigate the complex world of cyber threats. Our team of experts specializes in implementing the NIST CSF. We can help your organization build a robust cybersecurity program. We work closely with our clients. First, we understand their unique needs and challenges, then we tailor our approach. This ensures that their cybersecurity strategy aligns with their business objectives. Our services include NIST CSF gap assessments, NIST CSF implementation and roadmap development, NIST CSF compliance monitoring and reporting, and cybersecurity awareness training. At Impress Computers, we believe that a strong cybersecurity posture is essential for business success. We are dedicated to providing our clients with the tools and expertise they need. Together, we can mitigate cyber risks and protect their valuable assets. The NIST CSF is organized around 5 core functions: identify, protect, detect, respond, and recover. These functions provide a high-level framework for managing cybersecurity risk. Let's break down each function. Identify. This function involves understanding your organization's assets, systems, and data. It also means understanding the business context for cybersecurity risk. Protect. The protect function focuses on developing and implementing safeguards. These safeguards limit or contain the impact of a cybersecurity event. Detect. This function involves implementing measures. These measures identify cybersecurity events when they occur. Respond. The respond function outlines the steps an organization takes to address a detected cybersecurity incident. Recover. This function focuses on restoring any capabilities or services. These are capabilities and services that were impaired due to a cybersecurity incident. By addressing each of these core functions, organizations can establish a comprehensive cybersecurity program. This program will help manage and mitigate their cyber risks effectively. Section 4, NIST CSF 2.0 Elevating Cybersecurity Measures. The release of NIST CSF 2.0 in 2021 marked a significant evolution of the framework. It incorporates lessons learned. It includes feedback from the cybersecurity community. One of the most notable updates is the addition of a 6th core function, govern. The govern function emphasizes the importance of cybersecurity governance. It includes developing and implementing a cybersecurity risk management program, establishing and communicating cybersecurity policies and procedures, providing cybersecurity awareness and training to employees, and monitoring and evaluating the effectiveness of the cybersecurity program. By incorporating the govern function, organizations can ensure that cybersecurity is integrated into their overall governance structure. This helps promote a culture of cybersecurity awareness. It also helps ensure that cybersecurity risks are managed effectively. Section 5. Continuous Threat Exposure Management, a proactive approach. Continuous Threat Exposure Management, or CTEM, is a proactive approach to cybersecurity. It involves continuously identifying, assessing, and mitigating an organization's attack surface. This includes identifying and prioritizing an organization's critical assets, conducting regular vulnerability assessments and penetration testing, monitoring threat intelligence feeds for emerging threats, and implementing security controls to mitigate identified risks. CTEM complements the NIST CSF by providing a structured approach. This approach is specifically for managing an organization's attack surface. Implementing CTEM can strengthen an organization's security posture. It can also reduce the likelihood of a successful cyber attack. Section 6. Integrating CTEM and NIST CSF, a powerful synergy. When integrated, CTEM and NIST CSF provide a powerful synergy. This strengthens an organization's cybersecurity posture. Let's explore how CTEM enhances each core function of the NIST CSF. Identify CTEM helps organizations identify their critical assets and understand their attack surface. Protect CTEM provides insights into vulnerabilities and threats. This allows for targeted security control implementation. Detect CTEM helps organizations identify and prioritize threats. It enables a more proactive approach to threat detection. Respond CTEM facilitates faster and more effective incident response. It does this by providing a clear understanding of the attack surface and potential vulnerabilities. Recover. CTEM helps organizations recover more quickly from incidents. It does so by ensuring that critical assets are prioritized for recovery. Govern. CTEM supports the overall governance of cybersecurity. It provides continuous visibility into an organization's security posture. By integrating CTEM and NIST CSF, organizations can establish a comprehensive and proactive cybersecurity program. This program will help them stay ahead of the evolving threat landscape. Section 7. Conclusion. In today's dynamic threat environment, a robust cybersecurity posture is paramount. The NIST CSF provides a valuable framework for organizations to manage and mitigate cyber risks. CTEM complements this framework by providing a proactive approach. This approach focuses on continuously identifying and mitigating an organization's attack surface. By integrating these two powerful approaches, organizations can significantly enhance their cybersecurity posture and protect their valuable assets. Impress Computers is your trusted partner in cybersecurity. We can guide your organization through the complexities of implementing NIST CSF and CTEM. Contact us today to learn more about how we can help you strengthen your cybersecurity defenses and safeguard your business.